ब्रह्मा गुरुर् विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर् साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। जय माँ, जय माँ। आज का प्रश्न, ओके, दिस इज अ बॉय कॉल्ड अनुभव यादव. He writes, boys of my age make fun of me. I'm very depressed. What should I do, Ma? Should I fight with them or let them do this? See, Anubhav, I know a little bit about you because you've constantly been sending messages to me. You write all kinds of things to me and you think you can irritate me, but you can't. Okay, because I'm beyond that kind of irritation that you're trying to do with me. So if you have done that to me, I'm sure you've done something to those boys also. And then when you do something wrong, and if they retaliate in their way, then you will say, I'm depressed. Why do you do wrong things? If you do wrong things, obviously the सामने की जो पार्टी है वो कुछ तो करेंगी ना. आपको कुछ करने के लिए तो मतलब you don't have anything else to do, so you pick up fights with people, you irritate people. I have seen your graph, okay? I've seen your graph on YouTube that you keep writing comments to me, and I have sometimes blocked you also. But you insist on doing the things you want to do. It just shows your, culture, your upbringing. I'm sorry, but I have to say all this to you because you've done all these things. So if you're saying, what should I do? Fight with them or let them do this? Why would you fight with them? I know you would be ready to do that, but why would you do that? If they have done, according to you, if they have done something wrong, you don't have to do the same thing to them. You have to be quiet, calm, let them do, because that is your karma that you have reaped yourself. You have done things wrong, and that's why you're getting this back. From different angles you will get it, na? Not from somebody you have insulted, you will not retaliate probably, but somebody else will do it. Because वो कर्म का हिसाब तो बराबर होता ही है ना. So now if they are doing that to you and you're feeling depressed, there is no need to get depressed because you've done something wrong, and I'm sure about it. Because you've done enough to me also. But it's fine. I'm saying वो तुम्हारे कर्म है. जो तुम कर रहे हो वो मैं नहीं करूंगी ना. So, this kind of attitude towards a public platform, you write all kinds of things. So if you have done this to others and you've written also that मैंने आपको बहुत परेशान किया है, that also is in one of the comments. I read everybody's comments. So if that satisfies you, go ahead and do it. Keep doing it. It really doesn't bother me. But if you have done this to somebody else, it has bothered them. And that's why they've done this. Now you're saying, should I fight? Why would you fight? Think for yourself, what have I done that I'm getting this? Until you think for yourself that मैं भी तो गलत हो सकता हूँ, तब तक तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला, यही होगा. Don't do wrong things. Then you won't get anything back, and in return you won't get this kind of attitude. So shape up. I would just advise you to shape up and be a good human being. Respect elders, respect people. We are all elderly people. You're a young boy. But if you don't know how to respect people, what can I tell you? तुम्हारी जिंदगी है, तुम्हारे कर्म है ना, तो करते रहो जो करना है, फिर भुगतो भी ना. ऐसे ही तो जाने वाले नहीं हो, भुगतना तो पड़ेगा. So stop all this. That's all I would ask you to do. Stop all the nonsense you do. And be a good human being. Be polite, nice, respectful to people. Don't write wrong things. Don't behave wrongly with people. And why would you fight? No, let go. And if you have done something wrong to them, go and apologize. And don't do it again. That's my advice to you. Again, Bell. Jai Ma.